Hello children, in today's class we are going to learn about different types of fractions.
The first type of fractions are like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 5 upon 8 and so on. In all these fractions, you can see that denominators are same, that is 8. So, they are called as like fractions. Next type of fractions are unlike fractions. Fractions with the different denominators are called as unlike fractions. For example, 3 upon 5, 2 upon 7, 4 upon 9 and so on. In these fractions, you can see denominators are different. So, they are called as unlike fractions. Next type of fractions are unit fractions. As we know, unit means 1. So, the fraction with numerator 1 are called as unit fractions. For example, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and so on. Next type of fraction is proper fractions. A fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator is known as proper fraction. For example, 3 upon 5. Here 3 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. And 3 is less than 5. That means numerator is less than denominator. So, this fraction is proper fraction. Next type of fraction is improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is known as improper fraction. For example, 7 by 4. Here 7 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator, and 7 is greater than 4. That means numerator is greater than the denominator. Therefore, this fraction is improper fraction. Next type of fraction is mixed fraction. A combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is known as mixed fraction. When we write any fraction in a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction, for example, 3 whole 1 by 2. You can see here 3 is a whole number and 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. So, 3 whole 1 by 2 is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. That's why this type of fraction is mixed fraction. Let us learn how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Take an improper fraction 7 by 2. Divide the numerator, that is 7, by the denominator, that is 2. So, 7 divided by 2, it will be 2 3s are 6, 7 minus 6, 1. So, here 3 is the quotient, 2 is the divisor and 1 is the remainder. Now to write it in mixed fraction, we will write quotient, that is 3, as a whole number, remainder, that is 1, as the numerator, and divisor, that is 2, as the denominator. So, 7 upon 2 can be written as 3 whole 1 upon 2 in a mixed fraction. So, whenever we convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, we write quotient as a whole number, remainder as the numerator and divisor as the denominator. For converting a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, we take the following step. Firstly, we multiply the whole number by the denominator of the fractional part. Then we add the numerator to the product. In the last step, we write the denominator under the sum to get the required improper fraction. Let us take a mixed fraction 4 whole 1 by 2. So firstly, we will multiply 4 by 2. Then add 1 in it and write 2 as the denominator. Now 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. So it will be 8 plus 1 by 2, that is 9 by 2. Therefore, 4 whole 1 by 2 is written as 9 by 2 as an improper fraction. In this question, we have to fill in the blanks with the fraction in the lowest form. 3 hours is dash of a day. We know 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Now, there are 24 total hours in 1 day and 3 hours are taken out of it. So, it will be written as 3 upon 24 in the fractional form. Now, to convert it into its lowest form, we have to divide 3 and 24 by its HCF. So, HCF of 3 and 24 is 3. So, 3 divided by 3 upon 24 divided by 3. It will be equals to 1 upon 8. Therefore, 3 hours is 1 by 8 of a day. Similarly, in 1 year there are 12 months. So, total months are 12 and 6 months are taken out of that. Therefore, we will write it as 6 by 12 in fractional form. Now, take out the HCF of 6 and 12. It will be 6. Divide 6 by 6 and 12 by 6. So, it will be equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, 6 months is 1 by 2 of 1 year. Next is 40 minutes is dash of an hour. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So, total minutes are 60 and we have taken 40 minutes out of that. Therefore, we will write it as 40 upon 60 in fractional form. HCF of 40 and 60 is 20. So, divide 40 by 20 and 60 by 20. It will be equals to 2 upon 3. So, 40 minutes is 2 upon 3 of an hour. Next is 50 paise is dash of a rupee. We know 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. So, total paise are 100 and we have taken 50 paise out of that. So, it will be written as 50 upon 100 in fractional form. HCF of 50 and 100 is 50. So, divide 50 by 50 and 100 by 50. It will be equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore, 50 paise is 1 upon 2 of a rupee.